and welcome friends. I'm Smitha from the blog smilingcolors.com, and in today's video I'll show you how you can DIY and put together an easy wreath of your own. I bought all of the craft supplies at a Dollar Tree, so it's really inexpensive, but the outcome is so beautiful. I love the way it turned out. So let's get started. So I picked up this bamboo wreath form at the store. Along with it, I picked up a bunch of dahlias, this German statice, 2 bunches of carnations. I really love the pink color of these. And I also bought a bunch of these pink and yellow smaller flowers. So the first step is to cut apart the individual flowers from the bunches. The bamboo wreath has a jute thread that's been wrapped all around it, and I started tucking the flowers into the thread itself. Once you have the flower tucked underneath, you want to bend or turn it forward. Since the green stalk of the flower is metal, you can easily twist it to any direction you want. Now we'll do that again with the second flower, and you can see it much clearer in this angle. All you want to do is tuck the green metal stalk underneath the jute thread, fix it into place, and then twist the flower forward.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Since the stalk is metal, it's easily bendable, and it looks so pretty once you twist it forward.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Make sure you're tucking the end of each of the flower stalks underneath the jute thread. And you want to do this as you go and not leave all of the stalks to the end. This just secures the flowers nicely in place. I like using these microtip scissors. These are ergonomic and they're really nice to cut apart the flowers. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. So before I add more carnations, I want to add these smaller white flowers beneath them. By layering flowers and adding different sizes and shapes of flowers, you just create more interest to your wreath. Tucking in the white flowers in the same fashion, they go underneath one jute loop, and then the end of the stalk goes underneath another jute loop. So I added 2 of the white flowers on the top and 2 of them in the bottom. What I'm making here today is actually called a half wreath because I'm going to leave half of the bamboo wreath exposed and not cover it with more flowers. To the extreme top now I'm adding a single bunch of the small pink flowers, a few more carnations. I've added 1 carnation already in the beginning. Now I'm just going to tuck in 2 more carnations to add more of the dark pink color to the wreath.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Quickly just flip the wreath over and make sure all of the stalks have been tucked in neatly, and you're done. How pretty does this look? I love the way this wreath came together. It's such a pretty spring vibe, and it's all done with products that I bought at the Dollar Tree. My initial plan had been to hot glue all of the flowers to the wreath, but then when I tucked all of them underneath that jute thread, I realized I really don't need to hot glue it. Everything is secured very firmly, so I skipped the hot glue altogether, and now this is actually a recyclable project. If I feel like changing out the flowers after a few months, I can totally pull the flowers out. This was my first Dollar Tree wreath, and I can promise you guys this won't be my last one. This was so much fun to put together. I had a blast choosing the flowers, and I love the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, happy crafting!